para sa golden wedding. Okay, so medyo mahaba pang journey yun. No? God forbid, no? Along the way, we don't know exactly kung ano yung pwede mangyari. Pero para po makasiguro tayo na talagang mananatili hanggang 50 years, hanggang sa huling breath natin, hininga natin, kailangan po, number one key, build it on Jesus. Now, nasabi ro sa mga maral, ang tatlong talipit na lubid, it's not easily broken. No? Ang may tatlong talipit na lubid ay hindi madaling nalalagot. Ikaw, siya, at yung pangatlo ay ang Panginoon. Kung siya may papain sa atin, hindi ito madaling mapagtiwala. Amen? So kung alam niyo yung istorya, yung first miracle na ginawa ng Panginoon, ito ay nasa John chapter 2, yung kasalan sa Cana. Okay? Nagka-problema ron eh. Naubusan po na lahat. So siyempre, mapakahiya ang lahat. Thank God, nandun si Jesus. So in times of problem, yung mga ganong klaseng problema, ay kapag naroon ng Panginoon, ay meron po isang Diyos na pwede po magbigay ng solusyon. At meron akong magandang gusto ipakita sa inyo. Yung unang alak na ubos ay gumawa ng panibagong alak. Nung matikman ng guest, ang sabi, mas masarap yung una, ay yung huling ginawang alak more than dun sa unang ginawang alak. Now, what do I mean by this? Yung relationship ninyo na nandun ng Panginoon habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap. Hindi nawawala yung lasa. Okay? Natapos yung una, pero kailangan hanggang tumatagal at sa huli. Okay? Hindi sa umpisa. Kasi maraming maganda lang sa umpisa, pero nagtapos na hindi maganda. Pero dito, yung ginawa ng Panginoon, sa huli na-satisfy ang lahat sapagkat mas masarap yung natin makilala. Okay? Yun po yung number one. Key number two, healthy communication. So, masarap magsalita na pinakikinggan. At hindi lang basta pinakikinggan, naroon yung pang ginagawa. Kasi pwede naman magsalita isa, pero kung hindi nakikinig yung sinasabihan, hindi maganda po yung senyales. Okay? Masarap po kasi yung nagsasalita na mayroon nakikinig. At hindi lang basta pakinggan, kasi pwede naman nakinig ako, pero yung sinabi mo ay hindi ko naman inunawa, so malaki rin yung problema ito. So ibig sabihin, para mapanatili natin yung ating pong relasyon na mas stronger, kailangan, mga kapatid, nandun po open yung line ninyo sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi mahirap po na hindi tayo unawa. Yung meron akong gustong sabihin, pero sinasarili ko dahil baka hindi mo kumaintindihan, if ever nasabihin ko na pagmumula ng ating pag-aaway, minsan hindi ko na ito ikinukomunike. At ang problema, doon po, yung later on, nawawala na po ito pagkakaintindihan. Meron akong sinapol dito. Nations go to war when communication breaks down. Cultures are divided when there is no clear dialogue. Tama ba? A house divided will against itself cannot stand. So, ibig sabihin, kung kayo mismo ay hindi nakakaintindihan sa loob, ay hindi ninyo may naayos kung ano man yung dapat ayusin sapagkat poor yung communication po. Okay? And then, pangatlo, key number 3, genuine love. Hope, faith, and love. And the greatest is love. 1 Corinthians 13:13. And love covers the multitude of sin. Kailangan yung pagmamahal ay totoo. Which is, hindi ko naman kailangan sabihin ito sa inyo sapagkat evidently, nandiyan na kayo sa ganyang sitwasyon. Kaya naman, nagpasya kayo na ito ay gawin ninyo pareho. Okay? So ngayon, let's do the test of commitment. Tumayo kayong dalawa. Okay? At ito ako gumawa nito, pero kayo po ang mismong magsabi kanin sa puso. Okay? So, tingin sa'yo ito. Okay? At ito ay sa'yo naman. Okay? So, magharap kayong dalawa. Okay, now, ikaw ang una magsalita din sa harapan, Juliet. Okay? So, Juliet, sa kanya ka naman tumingin, huwag ka munang mag-ano, para mas makuha mo na totoo yung sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Holding hands.
Baka hindi yan. Good. Yan, sige.
Yan.
Juliet, 25 years ago, I pledged my love and commitment to you. But it seems like only yesterday. I promised to love you, honor you, comfort you, and keep you. I pledged to be by your side in sickness and in health, in times of want, and times of plenty, for better or for worse, for the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives, we have had all those things, and you have been by my side as we created a family, a home, and a life together. Today, at the beginning of our 25th year as husband and wife, in the presence of God and our family and friends, I renew my vows to you, pledging my eternal love for you, and eagerly awaiting what life may bring us. Yes.
Tingnan mo siya. Tingnan mo siya. Yan. Akin na ito.
Para sigurado.
Tim, 25 years ago, I pledged my love and commitment to you. But it seems like only yesterday. I promised to love you, honor you, and comfort you, and keep you. I pledged to be by your side in sickness and in health.
In times of want.
Carmen.
In times of wants, times of plenty, for better or for worse, for the rest of our lives. We have had all of those things. So many ups and downs. You've been by my side as we created a family. The life together. Today, at the beginning of our 20th year as husband and wife, in the presence of God, and our family and friends, I renew my vows to you, pledging my eternal love for you, eagerly awaiting